Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock a VIVO V50 without the password. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are two methods how we can unlock this phone without the password, and I'm gonna show you both of them. But for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but no worries, you can perform that action from any other device. Actually, you have to, because, you know, this device will be locked and we don't remember the password. Also, please try to unlock only your device, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Alright, so for the first method we want to use Google Find My Device. So let's open up our browser. Now let's type simply Find My Device without the off. Okay, Find My Device, and then click on the first link, and now we need to sign in into the same Google account that we were logged in on our device, on our Vivo. So it is crucial, we need to remember about it. Okay, so then click on sign in. Now I need to type my password, so give me a second. Okay, then click on sign in. Now we need to find our Vivo. Okay, here it is. Now click on Find My Device again. We're gonna use the web, but you can also use the app. Okay, now select your Vivo, and now we want to select factory reset device. So thanks to that, we will be able to turn off the lock screen, the screen lock, and that's the way we can bypass it, by simply we're gonna reset our device remotely. Okay, but there are three things that we need to remember. We can read them right now on the screen. All data will be erased permanently from the VIVO V50. After the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device, and if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. So that's the few things that we need to remember. Then click on next. And now we need to verify using our password. Then simply follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything right, the phone will be turned off, then turn on automatically, and you need to set up your phone again, basically. Okay, but I'm not gonna show you that because I have other method to show you. So the second method, when we have access to the phone, we can do it by using the recovery mode. So first, let's turn off our phone. Let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Okay, now let's click on power off, just like that. Okay, and now we need to enter the recovery mode, and we're gonna do it by simply holding the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding. Okay. Oh, I did it too fast. Sorry, my bad. Okay, now I misclicked, so we need to wait a little bit until this phone gets until it's on. Okay, now again, power off. My bad. Okay, let's wait until it will be turned off. All right, and now again, power button and the volume up button. Okay. Now we are in the fastboot mode. Now we want to select the recovery mode. We do it by clicking the volume down. That's the way we move around this menu. Now select recovery mode and confirm by clicking the power button. Now we need to wait until we get access to recovery mode. Alright, and in here we want to select clear data, and in here click on clear all data. Then click on OK. Now the clearing data process has started, as you can see. Now we need to wait until it gets to 100%. So let's simply wait. Okay, all data cleared. And thanks to that, we also have turned off the lock screen. Then click on return. Now click on restart, click on OK. And now, just like in the previous method, all you need to do now is to set up your phone. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.